Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. Today we will build a salary tracker. Step 1. Define employee class. In the body write init method, pass name and level as parameters, self-name equals name, self-level equals level. Step 2. Define Charlie Brown variable, then assign it to the class employee, pass Charlie Brown and trainee as parameters. Step 3. Modify name and level attributes with underscore. Step 4. Create string method. Return fstring, self-name, semicolon self-level. Then print Charlie Brown instance into the console. Step 5. Use property decorator to create name method. Return self-name. Step 6. Print Charlie Brown's name into the console. Step 7. Create getter for the level. Define level method and return self-level. Step 8. Print Charlie Brown's level into the console. Step 9. Modify string method. Return self-name and self-level. Step 10. Remove all the print statements. Step 11. Define repair method. Return employee self-name, self-level. Step 12. Print repair Charlie Brown. Step 13. Remove the last print function from the code. Step 14. On the very top of init method, write if statement. If not is instance name string and is instance level string, erase type error. Name and level attributes must be type string. Step 15. Before init method, define base salaries attribute and assign it to the dictionary. Step 16. After first if statement in init method, define another if statement. If level is not an employee base salaries, erase value error, invalid value level for level attribute. Step 17. On the bottom of init method, define self-salary equals employee class base salaries level. Step 18. Create getter for salary attribute. Step 19. On the bottom of all the code, print another f-string, base salary, Charlie Brown's salary. Step 20. Create setter for the name. Add name setter, def name, self new name, self name equals new name. Step 21. Delete underscore in init method. self name equals name. The first if statement in init method should be now if not is instance level string, erase type error, level attribute must be type of string. Step 22. If not instance new string, erase type error, name must be a string. Step 23. Print name updated to new string. Step 24. Update Charlie Brown's name. Step 25. Assign name property something that is not a string and then delete the line of code. Step 26. Define level setter. Pass self and new line as parameters. Assign self level, new level. Step 27. Delete underscore from self level equals level. Then remove first if statement if not is instance level string. Step 28. Add if statement in level setter if not is instance new level string, erase type error, level must be a string. Step 29. Delete the last if statement from init method. Step 30. If new level is not an employee base salaries, raise value error, invalid value, new value for level attribute. Step 31. If has attribute self underscore level and new level equals self level, I suppose. Raise value error, self level is already the selected level. Step 32. We cannot make a new level less than existing level of the salaries. Create new if statement, copy the first check, put and employee base salaries new level less employee base salaries self level, erase value error, cannot change to lower level. Step 33. Assign self underscore salary to employee underscore base salaries new level. Step 34. After all if statements, print self name prompted to new level. Step 35. Assign Charlie Brown level to some random string. Once you see the error in the console, assign Charlie Brown level to the junior. Step 36. Create new salary setter. Add salary setter, dev salary, self, new salary, self salary equals to new salary, and then print the message salary update to self salary. Step 37. Here we just need to delete underscore in self-salary in a init method. Step 38. Create if statement in a salary setter. If not is instance new salary, integer or float, erase type error, salary must be a number. Step 39. Add if statement if has attribute self level underscore and a new salary less than employee base salaries self level, erase value error, salary must be higher than minimum salary, employee base salaries self level. Step 40. Delete underscore from self-salary employee base salaries new level. We are done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.